Hello friends and welcome to BISP Solution. So let's continue our webinar on Oracle Fusion applications, that is also financials. So let's start today's session. So in the previous session I have explained about the theory, why we create value set, what are the components of charts of accounts, everything I have explained. Now today we will move to the practical. So let's start doing practical without wasting any time. So this is our application. We have made a user already. I have made a user, that is Rakesh Kumar. So just also I have made a project. So if you want to know how to make a project or how to make a user, please refer my previous videos. So let's go to Rakesh Kumar and setup and maintenance. After setup, this is called task list. So click on this task list, manage implementation project. Click on overview, or you can search my project, your project from here. BISP project. So now this is our charts of task. So write the name. The first task is manage chart of accounts value set. We are creating value. So in that value we will create company, department, division, or enter company, this. So click on this task, the second one, value sets. Here I will give the value. So I want BISP company. So first value I am giving BISP company. Okay. No. See friends, sometime we are mistaken. We have to create. So we'll click on the create option. Okay. So we'll create. Now here I'll type BISP company. Okay. Description. It's the module of GL. So select GL. Validation type independent, always select independent. Character, text, minimum value you choose 4, and save and close. So we have created company. So now we will create department. Okay, second value set would be department. Click on add, create, and BISP department. It's a model of GL. Repeat the process. Created, save and close. Now create, we have created 2 department. Now we'll create account. For account I'm going to give the value 5, because sometimes we set digit code of 5. Now okay, 5, 7 close. So we have created account. Now we'll create project. create intercompany. We have created intercompany. Now we'll create for future 1 code BISP future 1. And one more segment, one more value I am creating, that is BIS. Okay, only BISP feature. Okay. Let me see. I'm searching my values. Yeah. So we have BISP account company. How many segments? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 segments we have taken. So now the next task is, look friends, I have explained everything in my previous video. So why I am creating this value set codes, what are charts of accounts, everything I have explained. So if you want to know about it, please refer my previous video. So I am just moving on the next task. Save and close. So the next task is manage chart of account, manage chart of account structures. Okay, so click on it. We are creating flex field. Okay, flex field is important for PL. Okay, so now creating the flex field. So just search, because these values are not visible now. Manage structures. Okay, now I'll click on create and I will give the name BISP. I'm giving the name. Okay, this is the name, BISP accounting flex field. This is the code also, the name also same. Okay, delimiter, select whatever delimiter you want to select. Okay, so when I click on save, I have to click on save so that I can enable these options. These name I have given. Now I have to create the flex field, so I have to click on save. Now this will come. Okay, so now click on create. So now I'll give the segment code here, BISP. Look, I will give the code. Now earlier I have created the values, now I am giving the value code, BISP company. Okay, it will take automatically. Okay, just BISP company. Okay, okay, I'm not giving any space. Okay, now see BISP company sequence number 1. So company, I have to assign a label. I will assign, let me width should be 30, column name sequence segment 1. So segment 1 is our BISP company. Then we will deploy it. Okay, so from system it will come into the instances. Okay, so from here we will deploy here I'll search BISP company. BISP company, we have selected the BISP company. Okay, so now we'll assign the segment label. For company, we always choose primary segment, primary balancing segment. Okay, okay. Now next step is save and close, and then we will create another segment and we'll give the code. Save and close. Okay, so now the second one would be, we are creating the department. We'll create BISP department. Sequence number 2, department with 30, segment 2, this would be segment 2, and department type BISP. Let's choose department. Okay, for department we always provide cost center segment for department. Everything is perfect. Okay, now click save and close. Department, we have done with the department. Now we'll move to the account. It will take automatically. Sequence number 3, short prompt 30. You can choose the display width. This would be segment 3. BISP. We are choosing account, so let me choose account. Click on OK. And for account, what segment we choose? Natural account segment. So just search natural account segment. BISP account, nothing is left. Okay, save and close. Now we have company, department, we have 6 segments. So now we'll make another segment, that is project and then future one. Okay, BISP project. Let it take the API name automatically. It is sequence number 4. Short prompt display with choose is segment number 4. project. Choose project. Okay, so we have project. Okay, no labels, no segment label for project. Leave it as it is. Save and close. Now another we will make for the intercompany. This sequence number 5th. Intercompany, for intercompany which segment label we should choose? We will choose intercompany segment. Okay, it's a mandatory. Segment number 5 it is, and BISP intercompany. Click on OK. BISP intercompany. Okay, got it. Now save and close. Now one more for project, for a future. Segment number 6th. Since we do not know the label, future label, we are not going to assign any segment label for future. Short prom same 30. This is segment number 6th. BISP search. Feature 1. Okay, everything is set. Okay, save and close. Save and close. Click on done. We have completed task 2. Now we will copy from the system to the instance. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we will click on this manage structure instances for selected key field, flex field. Okay, we'll create BISP accounting flex. Okay, it will choose the name automatically. Structure name, we'll copy our flex field. The name of flex field is BISP accounting flex field. So we'll copy here. Yes. So now what we are going to do, we will bring it into system once we deployed. Okay, so it will come into the instances, from system to instances. But before that, we have to mark every field as required. object, intercompany, and for feature. So we'll see every fields are selected as required now. So now save and close. Click on done. Now it has come. We'll go to the manage structures. We will search here. Yes. So now we are going to deploy. Okay, friends. Will deploy the flex field. Okay, so ready for deployment. I hope there should not be any error, because sometimes it gives the segment error. Okay, if it gives, then I'll show you what error it is giving. Otherwise sometimes it doesn't. It's taking time. Let's wait for a few minutes, then we'll move to the next steps. Deployment completed successfully. Start a new session for the runtime application to view. Okay, click on OK. We'll see our deployment status is done. So we'll move to the next task. Now what we are going to do, we will create company. Under company we'll create 3 company and we will provide codes to that 3 company. Okay, so the task is manage chart of account value set. Click on done. Go to our project. Now our next task is we will create company account and we'll give the code to them. So now our first task is manage chart of account. Manage chart of accounts value set values. Now we are going to set the values. Value set values. Click on it. Okay, so we'll search our company BISP company BISP so BISP company, it has come. So now what we'll do, we'll select it. And click on manage values. We'll create so value we are giving first, giving the code, the description I am typing like BISP tires. Click another, giving value. So under company we have 2 company, okay, BISP tires and one more, let's say BISP paints. So I am giving the code 2000 and BISP paints. BISP paints. Okay, so now what we have to remember is our company data should match with the intercompany data. So as I'm giving values 2000 and description BISP paint, so same I am going to give in the intercompany segment. Okay, so now one more I am giving, one more for better explanation, say 3000 for BISP twice. Okay, now save and close. Now in value set code we are going to write for department. Okay, so we will search our BISP department. You see BISP department has come here. We'll manage the values. Give. So value I am giving, like we have department, like we are giving 4000 value to marketing department. BISP marketing. Let me change. 1000 I am giving, let's say, for finance, and 2000 I am giving to HR department. These are codes. These are codes I am giving. Okay. So HR I have given 2000, and code 3000 I have given to our sales department. Let me type BISP so that it's easily, so many company, so many departments are there, so just for special recognition, BISP sales. And one more I am giving as a for code to the marketing department. Okay. BISP. Only marketing, no need of giving external. Okay. So now, so enabled start dates, set order. Okay. Now save and close. Save and close. Now I'll search for BISP account. BISP account, and let me search. So here it will come BISP account. And manage values. So I'm giving any values, like account we have set the minimum length is 5, so we can give 5 length. Okay. It is for retained earnings. It is enabled. Start dates, end date we are not going to select, but we are going to select account type. It's very mandatory to select the account type. So account type would be owner's equity. Then we will select 1 2 3 4 5. It would say salaries. Okay. So the account type would be it's a expense for the company, so I'll choose expense. So this for account. Okay. Now save and close. So we have given codes to our 2 accounts. Okay. Click on save and close. Same to search for my project. Search for project. Manage values. For project I am giving, let's say, 1000 code to my BISP organization, that too for support. Okay. Another 2000 for BISP, or let me change BISP infonet for support. Okay, okay, and then another value I am creating, that is default 00. So default is for the testing purpose. Okay, default is for testing purpose. Now save and close. Actually default value is means the value which is not related to project. So now we'll search for the intercompany. Here already BISP written. I will search intercompany, search intercompany, then manage values. Same data we have to put. For the intercompany we have to fill the same data. So like I have given 1000 to BISP tires. Okay, second value I have given 2000 to BISP paints. Third value I have given 3000 to BISP toys. Okay, save and close. Now we have one more. We have future. BISP future one, manage values. Since we do not know about the future values, so what we are going to do, we'll create default. That is 00 default. Save and close. Now, so now what we are going to do, so our next step will copy from structure to instance. We need to assign corporate account at structure level to see the change at instance level. Okay, that is CO instance. Instead of Google account, we have to select corporate account. So what we are going to do, see, we have to see the change. So in the account section we have to edit, and we will take a corporate account. So we'll, our next task is click for account, manage values. We have done BISP future one. I think I've given or what. Okay, it's okay. Save and close. Okay, cancel, save and close. So now what we are going to do, we will search the next task, that is manage chart of account structure. Manage chart of account structure. In the key flex field, click on search. Now manage structure instance, click on BISP, click on search. we have our accounting flex field, we will edit it. Okay, so where we'll go to account segment, and click on edit. Okay, so what we are going to do is, in value set code, instead of BISP account, we will choose the corporate account. We'll choose the corporate account, that is independent. So it has come. Okay, required, displayed, everything. Default type we are not going to touch. Okay, save and close. So we have, okay, so we have changed this BISP corporate accounts. So since we need to see the values, so we have chosen corporate account. Now save and close. Click on done, and now we will deploy it. It should not throw any error, and today's system is also, instance is also working slow. Let's see. Now we'll move to our primary ledger. Okay, in the previous session I have explained about the primary ledger, why to make primary ledger, okay, how to assign primary ledger, everything I have explained. So please refer previous videos. So primary ledger we are selecting because of the accounting method we need, and for primary ledger we need the data of intercompany. So first what we are going to do, we will edit the intercompany value set. Okay, let it be deployed, then we will go to the manage charts of account value set to edit the intercompany values, because for primary ledger we need intercompanies. Okay, click on OK, click on done. See our deployment status, we have done. Click on done, move to the intercompany data. So for that value sets, manage chart of account value sets, and I'll type BISP enter. Yeah, BISP enter companies will manage the values. Click on search. These are our values. So now what we are going to do, we are going to set we have 0 0 1. So we are going to change tires, shirt, paints twice. So one value I'll take as a default here. Okay, for primary ledger I have to take one value as a default, so I'm choosing this. Click one more value and click, and I'm taking one value as a default so that it will be easy for our primary ledger. Now save and close, and save and close. Okay, so now our next task is manage primary ledger. Done. We'll create a primary ledger. Manage primary ledger. We'll make one primary ledger. Now name we will give BISP primary ledger. Which charts of account? So we'll select BISP accounting flex. BISP accounting flex. From this charts of account we are going to make the PL. Okay, accounting calendar. If there is no currency, no, we have to choose our BISP, or if not there, then we have to make our calendar, otherwise we will not able to perform. Yeah, BISP accounting calendar. You see, BISP accounting calendar. Currency would be US dollar. Our accounting will choose standard accrual. Save and close. now. So now we will specify a ledger option. Select and add. We are going to add our primary ledger. Okay, so we just made the BISP primary ledger. Save and close. Okay, so it has come here. Now accounting method standard accrual. So we'll give the retained earning. You see our combination is not showing. Just a second. So now we'll choose the combination. These are the code combination from BISP company. This department would be this, account would be this, and the project would. So we are making the combination. Okay, so let's make. We'll take company. Which company? Let's take BISP tires. From which department? We have 4 department. So choose department, finance department. From company BISP tires, BISP finance, account, advance, basic. I'll search here description. We have retained earnings, so I'll choose this account, retained earnings. Click on OK, and the project default values, we do not know the project, so we'll take BISP company. So that is why we have changed the data of intercompany, we have changed the value of intercompany. So 00 will take default, otherwise it will give error. Okay, this is for testing purpose. So BISP future, again will set default. Click on OK. Okay friends, so we have set a combination from BISP tires, from BISP finance department, retained earnings, okay, a project, future one, and intercompany. We have chosen the combination. Now save and close. Okay, we have not chosen the general language. We'll choose the American English. choose the American American English. Okay, so we have chosen American English. Now save and close. Okay friends, now specify ledger option, we have assigned our primary ledger. We have assigned our primary ledger to legal entities. Okay. Now we'll move to primary ledger and we'll review and submit. Okay, so we'll review and submit. You see, automatically it has assigned for PL mandatory. We can see this in our LDAP, but now this process is running. Okay, now we'll go to our primary ledger, click on submit. Okay, so this process is running, so we'll go to our primary ledger. Now we'll assign the primary ledger to our project. We'll search our BISP primary ledger. Click on done. We'll see the status. First of all, let me see the status. Once again, let me see the status. You see our status still showing in process. The LDAP job, we can see the process running in the backend. Schedule process, complete accounting configuration, it is running. Okay, until it shows us completed, we cannot have to wait. Let me check. Again I'm going to my project. Let me check whether status is showing or not. It has not assigned BISP. Yeah, it is still in process, friends. In process. Today's site is running very slow. In status in process, so it will take time, friends. So for now, please practice till here. In the next session, we'll move on the primary ledger. Okay, friends, we'll assign this primary ledger to our project, and then we will see the concept of legal entity. So tomorrow we will see the concept of once again we'll see whether our primary ledger is still in process or not. Otherwise we'll perform some other actions. So cubes is still running. Charts of account values succeeded, but this keeps still running. Okay, friends, so once I will sign out and sign in, it will synchronize automatically. So we'll meet tomorrow and then we will discuss on the legal entities. So till then, thank you so much for joining this webinar. Take care. Bye bye.